Hi, this is Lee from ColouringQueen.net, and today I want to show you my Flowers and Birds Japanese colouring book. On the front cover we've got these lovely flowers, frangipanis and pretty little birds that indicates what you're going to find inside. Now I've just got text down the spine and the same sort of design on the back cover, which is a glossy dust jacket. Just up against Johanna Basford's colouring book, you can see that it's pretty well the same size. So on the inside we've got this plain cover, and the dust jacket is like a bronze with little white outlines on it that you could probably colour in with gel pens if you wish to. The cover is a replica of the front cover, just in line art that you could colour in. So that's that, and we've got a little bronze outline flower over there for you to colour in. Plain text title page, and this looks like a table of contents, or maybe a table showing flowers or bird names. I'm not overly sure because it's written in Japanese. And then we get into the book proper. Now the paper is white and it's a medium quality. It's really probably designed for pencils rather than watercolours, because it's on the lighter end of medium rather than the thicker end. And throughout it we've got this whole variety of different types of flowers in different settings and different types of birds. Now the line art does run up into the spine, so it's going to be very tricky because of the way the binding is to get into spots like that. So you're probably just going to have to either cut the pages out if you wanted to do that, cut the binding off, or just live with the fact that you're probably not going to be able to get right up into the binding on some pictures. Not all of them, but just on some. Or you might be a lot stronger than I am, and you might be able to push it down and really get into that space. But it is quite rigid, and it's, as you can see, some of this line art really is right up there in the spine. Very tricky to get that bit. Wouldn't worry about colouring in there, it'd be too much hassle. Now there's a nice variety of complexity in this book as well. So we've got a lot of larger elements on the flowers, and then we've got lots of images that are more tightly packed detail for those that love the fiddly bits. A lot of these images would look fabulous with a background. Now this one is, super finely detailed, so probably not the best for those that have a minor visual impairment, whereas others have a lot better open spaces for those that do have minor visual impairment. Now the line art, or the line weight, varies, so there's often really fine lines, and then there's some with some medium lines. We've certainly got a different variety of different plant life, different types of leaves and different flowers in the images, and also, a big variety of different types of birds, including, little cute cuddly duckies. Some of these are just incredibly finely packed details. Then we've got this at the back. I don't know what that's for, but we could probably use it as a colour palette page if we wanted to test out things on that lined paper. Or any of these pages you could probably use to test out your mediums on and see how they react with the paper and your colouring style. So that's it for our Japanese book of flowers and birds. The links to buy it are below the video. Until next time, happy colouring.